So do you have an Android lover in your life? This video is definitely for you. In this video, we're going to run down some of the top things you can purchase that Android lover in your life and really wow them with some fantastic gift ideas. So stick around and let the download begin. So guys, if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot devices, plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. You just got to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. So sometimes purchasing gifts for people are very difficult because some people just buy their own stuff. So what do you buy that Android lover in your life? We're going to run down a list of a couple of things you can purchase for them in this video. And everything that I talk about is going to be listed in the description so you can just purchase them very easily and quickly. So one of the first ones I'm going to start off with is the charging. Charging is very, very important. Of course, you want your phone to be as charged as possible so you have the most usability out of your device as possible. And the majority of Android phones that are now available on the market have a wireless charging ability as long as you can connect them to a wireless Qi charger. So my first gift idea is going to be an IQ wireless charger. This thing is actually pretty cool. One of the benefits of it is it makes your phone remain upright. That's actually pretty important because you can still look and interact with your phone as it's charging. Sometimes when you have a charging pad where the phone lays flat, you kind of have to hover over the phone in order to see all the information. This one keeps the phone upright. It's also very compact, so it's easily carried on trips and just with you in general. If you know you're going to be away from your charger for a while, this thing is very easy to pack up and bring with you. It has intelligent LEDs that give you the ability to know when your phone is fully charged, know when your phone is still in the charging stages at a glance. So that actually comes in handy as well. And importantly, it's also case friendly. So if you don't want to remove the case every time you want to wirelessly charge your device, sometimes with other wireless chargers, you definitely have to do so. With this one, you don't. You can just plop it on there with your case and all and still be able to charge your phone effectively without any issues. So the next one kind of goes hand in hand. This is another version of a travel charger. This one is wired. It actually has 6 USB connections with fast charging. So it gives you the ability to charge up to 6 devices by connecting them to those USB ports. Again, if you don't want that wireless option, this is a wired option that gives you the ability to charge more things. With the multiple USB ports, it's also supporting a fast charging and it's compatible with just about anything that has a USB connection. So you can check this one out as well. So my next gift idea is going to be a comfortable set of wireless headphones. Most phones now are eliminating that headphone jack, so wireless headbuds have become a hot gift idea for anyone that is on a mobile device, and that's just about everyone. So for an Android device, one of the ones that I would definitely suggest is one of the headphones I've used recently and actually did a full review on and gave it some glowing reviews. If you want to check that out, it's going to be the Amazon Echo Buds. I'll make sure to list that review in the description of this video and in the card up above. But these things are surprisingly good. The sound quality is awesome. They are 100% compatible with Android. You have full access to all its features, as opposed to if you purchase something like an Airpods that's really an Apple device that you can pair with an Android device. These are Android level headphones. You have options to do noise cancellation. You can tweak the sound quality, see your battery information. Can't see that with the Airpods. These are a nice pair of headbuds at a reasonable price. They only cost about 130 bucks. So they're not breaking the bank. That Android person in your life that loves to consume media is going to love this gift. So you should definitely check them out. The next gift idea is going to be a powerful external battery. Charging is extremely important. Sometimes our phones just won't last us as long as we need them to last. The majority of phones nowadays can last a full day of usage, but if you're a super user, sometimes that usage is cut in half or just brings you towards the end of the day. And if your day is extended in any way and you're away from a charger, you can end up completely killing your phone, and that would be madness. So with this particular gift idea, you can offer a peace of mind because they have a portable battery charger that they could just throw on their phone right there on the spot. They don't have to connect it to anything, and it provides the additional power that can kind of muscle you through the rest of the day. So this one has a 26,800 milliamp battery. It can charge phones, it can charge tablets, it supports fast charging, and itself, it recharges up to 2 times faster. So if you're fully draining this battery pack, you can probably fully recharge it, and then you have more energy to go throughout your day. To lose your phone in the middle of the day or towards the end of the day would be crazy. This would be a fantastic gift for that Android lover in your life. So this one is going to be the Easy Touch wireless car mount. This one actually comes in very handy because Android Autos is not always available on some people's cars. If they travel a lot, everybody, almost everybody anyway, uses Google Maps or even ways, and to have your GPS mounted in a way that you can see it becomes extremely beneficial. This is a gift that a lot of people don't think of, but it's a convenient gift. It's a cheap gift. So with this, you can mount it in your car in a convenient place where you can see your GPS as you're driving. You can interact with your music. You can still interact with your phone overall without looking down or looking away from the steering wheel to keep yourself as safe as possible. The simplicity and the convenience of this gift really sell it, and I think the person that you're purchasing it for is definitely going to appreciate it and probably get so much use out of it they wouldn't know what to do without it. So the next thing I'm going to suggest is going to be some form of wireless speaker. So you can kind of gear based on what the user is looking for on which speaker you want to get. So they have the Google Home Max. That's a pretty big one. It's a pretty expensive one, but if you have someone who loves music and loves audio, that Google Home Max pairs very well with Android phones, and it provides a fantastic level of audio quality and fidelity that they can use throughout their home. Plus it has the Google Assistant built right in. So you'll also have the Google Home Mini or the Google Home Mini Nest, which are two smaller devices that still have the Google Assistant. They're still speakers. They still integrate and give you the ability to control your smart devices, basically do everything that you can do on your smartphone with your voice in your home, and they come in handy for a myriad of different things that the user can take advantage of. So these are actually pretty cool gifts that won't break the bank unless you go with the Google Home Max. That's probably like $300 and up, but that will be a big gift for someone. If you're not sure what to purchase, if you're running low on gift ideas, these Google Homes and these slew of Google Homes that are available, you can find something for just about anyone in your life that is an Android user. So do you have an Android gift that I didn't mention in this video? Go ahead and share it in the comment section down below. Until then, you can click here to check out some of the iPhone gift ideas that we have for the iPhone user in your life. And this is something that YouTube believes you'd enjoy watching. Guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe with that bell for notifications so you don't miss when I release some cool, helpful content like this one. Until next time, guys. Peace.